says, please advise what is Adhkar or Dhikr we need to do after Fard prayers, and please confirm people say to recite Ayatul Kursi after Fard by putting right hand on their head, or should we just recite right after the Fard? Please correct my knowledge. So Sabina is asking about the Adhkar. The Adhkar is prescribed in the Sunnah, and a lot of the books have collected these Adhkar, such as the book of Al-Wabil Al-Sayyib of Ibn Al-Qayyim, Al-Kalim Al-Tayyib of Ibn Taymiyyah, the book of Adhkar of An-Nawawi, and the most contemporary book, which is booklet actually. In Arabic, I think it's widely printed in orange, maybe a little bit red. So it's a small booklet that is pennies, and lots of the people distribute it for free. You can get this, you can download it, and you will find it. The first thing that the Prophet used to say after Salam, he used to say, Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, Astaghfirullah, 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 Allahumma anta salam, wa minka salam, tabarakta, ya dhal jalali wal ikram. And then there is a whole array and a lot of adhkar that one can say and perform. As for placing the right hand over the head immediately after salat and reciting Ayatul Kursi, this is a claim, and I would say, why not put it on my heart and recite Ayatul Kursi? And this is more for preserving my heart from wiswas, from doubts, and from other desires. Other one says, no, I'd like to put my fingers on my eyes so Allah would protect them by Ayatul Kursi. So now each one has his own method. So which one should we follow? As any Muslim would do, we refer back to the Qur'an and to the Sunnah. The Prophet said, alayhi salatu wasalam, in what Mother Aisha narrates, may Allah be pleased with her, and the hadith is in Sahih Muslim and elsewhere, she said that the Prophet said, alayhi salatu wasalam, whoever innovates, whoever creates in our religion, in our deen, what is not part of it, it is rejected. So, brother from the subcontinent, who always after salam puts his right hand on his head and say Ayatul Kursi, do you have any authentic hadith I could use and share with you? Because wallahi, if there is an authentic hadith, I'll be the first to be implementing this here. And the guy says, no, but my sheikh said this is sunnah. Okay, ask your sheikh. Show me the hadith in Sahih Bukhari, Sahih Muslim, Sunan Abi Dawood, At-Tirmidhi, Nasa'i, Ibn Majah, Muwatta Imam Malik, Musnad Imam Ahmad, any of the renowned and famous books of hadith, the sources, the real sources. If he fails to present us with not only a hadith, but an authentic hadith, then you should know that your sheikh has to go, and that he is not worthy of being learned from, because he is teaching you something that is not authentic, something that the Prophet did not do. How dare you do something the Prophet did not do, the companions did not do, may Allah be pleased with them, the tabi'een did not do. So do you have more knowledge, and do you have more iman, and are you more careful to please Allah than them? If they did not do it, if they did not know anything about it, then definitely you are making a serious innovation.